This is Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro Plus, and honestly I feel that in this price range this is the best TWS under 2000 rupees. It is available on Amazon for just 1899 rupees. Forget about boat and noise for a moment. If you want a quality sound, you should definitely try this once. It was launched just a few days ago and I have been using it for the last few days as well. So here is a complete review. So let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box you get the earbuds, extra ear tips and documentations. You don't get a charging cable, and honestly there's no need for it because everyone already has a Type-C cable nowadays. Talking about the build quality, the case comes with the solid plastic build. It has a matte finish, the side portion is slightly glossy and you can open it with one hand. The buds are lightweight and comfortable and they fit perfectly in the ears. Gym, jogging, long meeting sessions, online studies, you can use them anywhere. You won't feel much discomfort. Obviously fit depends on different ear size and shapes, but these are really comfortable and lightweight. The total weight is 45 grams and each earbud weighs 4.2 grams. You also get an IP55 rating, because of which you can use these even in dust and light rain. In terms of connectivity, you get Google Fast Pair support. When you bring it near an Android device for the first time, a pop-up appears and pairing happens with a single tap. App support is also available. It supports SBC and AAC codecs, and because of Bluetooth version 5.4, the connection remains stable and battery efficiency is also quite improved. You also get application support. It connects through the Hey Melody app. We will come to the app details in a while, but first let's talk about the music quality. And this is the most important thing. I've been using this for a few days now, and honestly in this price range I found the sound quality to be quite good. It has a 12.4mm driver. The sound is loud, the bass is decent and overall clarity is also very impressive. Inside the app you get equalizer preset, but there is no custom equalizer option. You get 3 sound profiles: original sound, bass boost and clear vocals. Original sound is the most balanced, where the bass and treble feel perfect for all type of music. If you want heavy bass and you listen to bass heavy or Bhojpuri music, then bass boost mode is available, but clarity slightly decreases in this mode. And if you are watching classical content or movies, then clear vocals mode also comes in handy. But interestingly, in my app it is behaving a bit opposite. In bass boost mode I am getting less bass, and in clear vocals mode I am getting more bass. I don't know whether this is a bug or the tuning has been changed. I played music from different genres and overall the clarity, vocals and instrument separation gives a really good experience. And you can enjoy music even more by turning ANC on. It has a 32 dB active noise cancellation which suppresses traffic and background noise by around 50 to 60%. The transparency mode also feels natural and not robotic. From the app you can switch between ANC, transparency and ANC off. Calling performance is also quite strong. It has a dual mic setup along with an AI algorithm which cuts surrounding noise during calls. Even in noisy environment, call quality remains clear. And the best part is that because of noise reduction, the voice does not sound too robotic.
The sound you are listening right now is directly coming from my TWS. So if I'm audible, if I'm clear, please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video.
Okay, so tell me what song I'm listening.
Too much sound is leaking. I can clearly say you are listening rockaway. Yes, it's rockaway. Yes, I can hear it clearly. It's rockaway.
You're right. Rockabye. Talking about gaming, you get 47 ms low latency. There is also a dedicated game mode and latency does not feel high. Casual gaming is easily possible. Using touch controls, you can operate almost all functions including volume, and all these controls can also be customized through the app. You can also capture photos using the earbuds, but this feature does not work on every phone. For example, on my CMF phone it was not working. It will work on phones like Oppo and OnePlus. In the Hey Melody app you can see battery percentage, control the ANC and transparency modes, access Oppo Master Equalizer, find the earbuds, customize touch function controls and update firmware. Battery life is also impressive. The case has a 440 mAh battery and each buds have 58 mAh batteries. With ANC on, you get around 7 to 8 hours of playback depending on the volume level, and the total backup with the case is around 45 hours. and with ANC on you get around 25 hours. Overall, I really liked its sound quality, call quality and design. Under 2000 rupees, this is definitely a strong TWS option. After Realme T310, I like this the most. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question, make sure to ask in the comments. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Washing powder Nirma, washing powder Nirma, Nirma.